So guys, we were talking about basic setups of Appium and running our simple test by the Selenium, by the Appium, and I was talking about capabilities. So these are the some capabilities which is mandatory to run the Appium server. This is the device name. We have to give the device name where we want to run our Appium scripts, and we have to give the set the capabilities, a platform name as Android and iOS and Firefox OS, and we have to give the application absolute path where the system gets the Appium server gets the application and install in the device and run it like so. And after that we have to give the URL of the running server and pass the capabilities on the for the Android driver object. So after that we can set up a default implicit timeout which will wait for maximum 10 seconds to the element to appear, and after that nothing. This is just so here like let me run it and see whether it's opening the application or not, or opening the test application or not. So let me go to Appium, and it's already started. We have started in last video, so to start it, we just right click on this and run as test-ng. It will start. Okay, here is some error. It is not in our class. It's okay. So we can see the logs will start. Okay, we are getting some error. Let me check. Sorry, I was giving wrong port numbers. That's why it's not redirecting to the same application. So let me run it again. Okay, proceed. Again something what happened. Okay, so we have not already some session was in progress, so that's why it was not getting new session. So yeah, it's running new one. Okay, so it's launched. Let me open it. Okay, see, it will start the application and wait for 10 seconds, and after that will stop the application. So this is the basic setups to launch the application. After launching the application, we can perform the operation on the test applications. It's a hybrid it's native application, and we can get the applications locator or elements by the UI Automator Viewer. So we use UI Automator Viewer to locate the element on Android. So let me go to UI Automator Viewer. Okay, it started, and we can get the screen. Yeah, we want 5554. Okay, it's already running with the Appium server. So let me close first. Okay, let me open by manually. Okay, so now we are getting the screen dump. Just make sure when the application is started by the Appium, it will not when we get the screen dump, we will not get screen dump. So this is the location strategy, locator strategy for Appium. Like if you hover the mouse here, you can get the properties in right hand pane. It's like if edit box, and this is edit box has the resource ID this one, class this one, and package this one, and contact us this one. So we can write the code for sending the keys, clicking and tapping, zooming by this locator. So let me do one line of code to send keys on this edit box, or clicking on this folder button. So let me click on this folder button. Okay, it has a resource ID registration like that. So I'm copying this and going to the Eclipse my code, and okay, so here I'm writing driver, same as the way where how we write the code in Selenium. Driver dot find element by ID, because we have ID, so ID class, and dot click. So here's the one way to locate. Another way is driver dot tab. So in tab we have to give the finger, like one finger, and element is like this element. It will return an element, and duration is 1 second. I mean 1 second we want to tap it. So these are the both the way we can tap the element or click the element. So first we'll try with the click. Let me run it again. Let me stop the server first and run it again. Okay, server running, so I'm running it again. Okay, let me check it with AVD. Sorry. Okay, so it will open the Android test app, and it will click on the folder button. So it's waiting for 10 seconds. I have given sleep 10 seconds. So it's clicked on folder button. You can see it's taking time to open it's open next window. So we have clicked on the folder button. So that's just in this way we can proceed with the element click and other operation which we want to. So this is the basic setups of Appium to perform the basic operation. And next videos I will go through the hybrid tab and more operation with the Appium, and we will look at the web applications with the Appium. So thank you guys for watching this, and I hope I will get back to you with new videos and some new videos and content. Thank you guys. Thanks.